Number 3 on the science article review says, what science skills did you learn about in this article? And then it asks you to use claims, evidence, and reasoning, or CER. Be sure you have 3 pieces of evidence. And then it asks you to choose one of the following skills: problem solving, prediction, hypothesis, experimentation and data collection, analysis, or technology. The goal of question number 3 is to tell me what you think the article is showing. I believe the article is showing problem solving. So then I'm going to claim that I believe that the article is showing problem solving. But I need to provide evidence and explanation or reasoning for why I believe that. Here would be an example CER to answer question number 3. Here's my claim. This article describes problem solving. My first piece of evidence says, according to the article, which is my citation, the movie Finding Dory has caused the royal blue tang to become endangered. That's nice, but that doesn't tell me why this article shows problem solving. It's just a piece of evidence. But when I explain that piece of evidence, now I can show how that piece of evidence describes problem solving. Here's my explanation or my reasoning. When a species becomes endangered, it means there are a limited number remaining in the wild. Endangerment can cause problems to ecosystems. So there I've just said, this article describes problem solving. Then I've said royal blue tangs are endangered, but that doesn't mean anything until I explain that endangerment or endangered species cause problems to ecosystems. Now I've made the connection that this article is showing problem solving. Here's my second piece of evidence with an explanation. It says, at the end of the article, so I've cited again, Ellen DeGeneres is quoted saying, the sequel is not about finding Dory, but about rehabilitation and putting them back in the ocean. That's nice, but again, that doesn't show me how this article is problem solving. It doesn't support my claim. But when I explain it with a reason, I can show how this piece of evidence explains that this article shows problem solving. It's all connected. Here's my reasoning. Ellen's quote addresses the need for a solution to the endanger problem with the royal blue tangs. This shows that the article truly is problem solving. So again, scrolling back to the top, let's make a connection to my claim, claiming this is problem solving. My second piece of evidence says that this article isn't about finding Dory, but about rehabilitation. I explain, I reason that Ellen is suggesting a solution to this problem. There, I've explained why my piece of evidence shows that this article is problem solving. I only did 2 pieces of evidence. See if you can find one more piece of evidence and explain how it supports your claim.